guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tarisha, and on the channel you can find tons of cleaning motivation and homemaking, just pretty much anything motherhood related or lifestyle. But anyways guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Leave me a like and a comment. This video today is just really simple, probably like a tiny tidy day, because it's like Sunday for me and I've been meal prepping all day and I had the girls here to wash and get done. So it was just, today is just a day that I'm gonna just tackle the dishes, the pile of dishes that I have to do, and laundry that I have to fold and put away, and just a little bit of tidying around the house. But that's just simply it. Just quick, easy, simple motivation, because you all know that laundry and dishes is never ending. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back to my day ones. I love you guys, and I hope you guys are having a blessed and fabulous day, and your week is going fabulous so far. And again, thank you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tiny tidy Tuesday.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
all done, guys. So really quickly, guys, let me take a moment to introduce you guys to this home decoration company. The name of the company is Kygmw, and they're a leading company in home decoration website. They recently added a ton of new products to their website, and they have products ranging from crystal chatters, recent decorations, music boxes, and a ton more to offer, guys. They even have stuff for your pet cats or your dogs. So much to offer. Clocks and a variety of other stuff, as you can see here, and their prices are affordably cheaper than other websites. I've seen products ranging from as low as $2, guys, for decorations. That's insane. So I'm going to have a coupon code linked in the description box for you guys, along with the links to the product I have selected today. Definitely go ahead and check them out, guys. I absolutely adore the cloth that I received. I love it. It is so beautiful, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. I'm not saying it to just say that. I am legit obsessed with it. It was well packaged, well made, and as you guys can see, it came packaged properly, so there was nothing broken, nothing loose. I love the crystals on it. It is so beautiful. Here it is without the light, and all it needs is a AA battery and that's it operating, guys. And it was just so easy and so cute, and I love that you can incorporate it in multiple rooms and areas of your home. As you guys see throughout the video, I tried it over my sofa, I've tried it and another here in the living room, I've tried it in my bedroom. There's just so much option for me to use and put this clock. I haven't figured out exactly where I'm going to put it yet, but for now I'm going to leave it in the living room. I might move it to the bedroom, I'm not sure, as you can see. But that's the thing, that's the beauty of decorations. You can repurpose it throughout your home, and this one goes perfect in any room. So I absolutely love it. I love how the crystal on it glitters in the light. Amazing, beautiful, so beautiful, guys. Absolutely love it. Definitely check them out. As I said before, they have tons of other clock options to choose from and decor pieces for everybody. There's something for legit something for any and everyone on the website. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. So once again, thank you to Kygmw company for sending me this product and sponsoring this portion of today's video. much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box for the link to the product that I showed you earlier on in the video, and check out Kygmw website. I also have a discount linked in the description box. You guys can go ahead and check out the website. There's tons of options to choose from. Once again, thank you Kygmw for sponsoring today's video. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love y'all. So real life, guys, this is the floor, and I ain't gonna talk about it because it is still pretty early, so, and that's it for today's video, guys.